What's going on? Antonio Carter here. 0 to 10K, building a business straight from scratch. You don't have to purchase all these $1,000, $10,000 coaching programs. I'm going to show you exactly what I created specifically just for you watching this video, where I have not really offered it anywhere else. I specifically designed this so that you don't have to go out and spend gobbles of money per month in order to generate a system like this. In fact, I've created this so that you can customize it to whatever business and whatever you're doing in order to make money online. You don't want to miss this. This is going to be part of my 0 to 10K track to see if Joshua Elder and his system is actually legit or not. This is something that he teaches. Joshua Elder is a phenomenal affiliate marketer, high ticket affiliate marketer. I've kind of followed him for a long time. This is going to be a style of a masterclass without much editing, and this is for a specific reason. I just want you to see things live and uncut without all the graphics and the music and everything, and that way you can kind of see who I am as well and how the results happen if I get results. So he teaches this method of 0 to 10K. He says 365 days in order to get to 10K per month. I could say that. I just think it's way too long. Okay. And the system in which he teaches, which I'm going to show you here, the methodology is one that I can see works pretty well, but I also want to put my preaching into practice too, because I say pretty much everything works. It's just a matter of what you will choose and you stick with it. So we're going to try something extremely new. I have not tested this method out before. I don't know if it'll work. I don't know if it will work. Chances are it will work because it makes sense. But the question is, how much work? So I want you to follow along, starting from scratch, 0 to 10K. This is for the person who has minimal time, the person who's looking to make extra money. You got kids, you got bills, and you're looking to pay them things off instead of paying, a car off in 5 to 7 years. You can pay it off in 1 year or even 6 months. Right? If I help you generate 10K in 3 months, that's going to be crazy, right? I think we live in a world where we are expecting too much very quickly. We've gotten used to that because we have so much opportunity before us. So what I'm going to do is show you the method, show you the technique, the vehicles, the platforms in which we are going to be using. I'll be flipping back and forth. And if you guys have not already, please go sign up. I have a link down in the description. I'm going to start doing everything inside of my Facebook group, but because some of you may not be in Facebook, I will make this particular funnel available to you. You can download this, use it as your own, but you also can just use it the way it is. This is what I'm calling crate commissions. And this is a done for you affiliate marketing in a box type of situation where you can take whatever it is that I have, you just swap out your affiliate links and you use it as is, or you can customize it to anything you want it to be, in which I'm going to get into it. So this is the welcome video. You can watch that. This is free. Most people charge $20, $47, $97 for such a system as this, in which I have drawn up for you. I did this specifically for you guys. I'm not kidding. You don't have any money, use this. All right. So I have some buttons. I got, you can sign up for my affiliate marketing community, where I'm really trying to help you build $137 per day, which comes up to approximately a little bit over $4,000 a month with these methods. I got buttons for the YouTube channel, and please check out this bonus offer I got for you. I'm not going to spoil it. So we scroll down. We got a couple of different things. I got videos taking you step by step. I'm showing you over my shoulder what I'm doing, and all you have to do is implement what I'm teaching. Everything that I have, it's free. If it's not free, it's for a very small fee. A lot of these things that I have is free trials and whatnot. So you really can't lose with this. And so what is the system? How does it work? Yes, I love these little fake, ugly paint Venn diagram thingies. It's not a Venn diagram, but you guys get my point. I got little boxes. So Joshua Elder teaches this system where you drive traffic to something, and then within the traffic, whether that's solo ads, whether that is Facebook ads, what we got. I'm using YouTube as a medium, which you are experiencing right now. This is for I said YouTube. Oh my God. This is for anybody who likes to drive traffic organically, right? Those other two, I could say Facebook ads, but technically Facebook itself is organic. YouTube itself is organic. And I can use all these methods for traffic. But in this case, I'm really going to be talking about YouTube. Creating YouTube videos, if you don't like that, if you can spare $100-300 a month, solo ads would be phenomenal. I'm going to touch on that within my training as the days goes on. And I'm hoping that I can do this for 30 days and generate a couple thousand for you guys as a live case study. So that's what traffic is. So then the traffic is going to go to what's called an opt-in page. The opt-in page is typically going to have 2 squares where you put in your name and your email in exchange for a promise, whether it's a free ebook, a free video course. In our case, it is going to be a free video course. And along with that, after you opt in, Joshua Elder tells us to send that traffic to a YouTube playlist. Now, there's a caveat to this. Obviously, I don't have a playlist, but as I create each video, it's going to be grouped into a playlist. You're using your live traffic, your live content in order to generate this traffic. If I create a portfolio, if I do this every day for 30 days, I'm going to have 30 videos of content, all with affiliate links, all with links going to other places. And, you know, you're going to see me build this out live. And with all of this, I've taken care of the traffic. I now have email lists, because once you put in your name and your email, you're building your email list. I teach myself to try and build a 10,000 person email list, because generally each subscriber is worth 50 cents to $1 per subscriber, per month, which means if I'm able to build my business and my email list, I have 2 income streams at that point. Because if I'm sending emails 2 to 3 times per day, I'm making $5,000 to $10,000 per month. And what's even cooler, I didn't realize that I was. What's even cooler with my email list here, what's even cooler is that I'm building my YouTube channel at the same time. So getting your channels monetized, right? There's so many different income streams being built here by just doing this one thing. It's crazy. So the next thing after the YouTube list, guess what? We're going to have the YouTube playlist. All the videos point to the system, which I am calling the Crate Commissions system. Crate Commissions. That's what I call this whole thing here. Now, how do you make money off of this? Very easily. In the first step, well, I'm gonna just skip the first step. In the second step, I say download an ebook that I created. And this ebook has a whole bunch of affiliate offers that I called the top products for right now, with all of my affiliate links. It describes the products, the things that I use in my business. Well, instead of now you just downloading it for your purposes, you now get to download it, or instead of downloading it for my intent and my purposes of making money with my affiliate links and stuff, you now sign up for those very same programs. You put your affiliate links in an ebook, and now you can offer that ebook to your list, to whomever, your viewers, your audience, whoever you want to give the the ebook too. You can customize it. Just take my face off of it if you're going to do that. I set you guys up to win. I literally set you guys up to win. And I'm doing this to build a 10K case study. So you'll see all of that. At the same time, we have the emails still going to our YouTube playlist, because whenever we upload a video, we're going to let our email list know, hey, we got a new video up. And even if you don't build an email list, if you don't keep up with this, you should. You don't have to, but you'd be silly to not do that. You're just leaving a whole bunch of money on the table. It literally probably thousands of dollars on the table. And I'm just going to continue this the way that I teach it, but you're going to see the emails that I write. You're going to see how I write emails. You're going to be able to download emails so that you don't have to. And then also our emails will point to the system as well. Within the system, we have affiliate products. As I've already shown you, you'll be able to put your own products within this crate system. Just change your affiliate links from mine and put yours in there. And also emails can be promoted so that we can sell more products as well. So this whole thing is just this big old circle at this point. And as you get more and more traffic, all of these individuals will continue to see all of this over and over again and eventually purchase. The more that you put in there, the bigger the circle will be of more people to potentially buy. And depending on the price in which you have your products, guess what? Your 0 to 10K is very possible, extremely realistic, because once I start going from a product that pays me monthly recurring commissions of 50%, 33%, there's a product in there of $20. You get $20 per month, right? Getting $100, or realistically $137 per day, that means I just simply want to get maybe 25, 30 people to spend at least $135. Is it per day or per month? I did the math the other day. I think it's per month. Okay, that's all I need. I just need a few people to consistently make the purchases every single month, renew their subscriptions, and I consistently get passive affiliate income in my pocket because of this one system. I did the work one time. I don't have to do it again. Now that was the first method. The second method that he teaches is a little bit different. We have our traffic. Again, I'm going to be using solo ads. I'm going to be using mainly YouTube traffic, and I'm just going to be testing out some other stuff because I'm very fluent in Google ads, all paid traffic, right? So as usual, the traffic's going to go to the opt-in page, but now the opt-in page, the emails and the names go to the email autoresponder, which it did last time, but differently, we're going from the opt-in page straight to the system. Okay, straight to the system. And then we have emails going to the system. The emails is also going to the YouTube playlist. In the YouTube playlist, the links is going to the system. All right, and now everything points towards the products. Now, technically, I could do this as well, but I'm trying to keep it as clean as possible. I really don't want all of that. We're just going to go straight from the system to the product. Now, the cool thing about all of this is way different. I think it's going to take longer, but the type of buyer that I would get through this style will be a lot more targeted. I'm not getting a whole bunch of tire kickers and clicks, right? I'm getting people who are really interested because of this system. I believe the funnel is a lot more narrower. So just to give you an example of what we have with the products, right? I have a product that's $20 within the crate commissions. I have a product that's $97. And I also have a product that I will be pitching that is $14.97, I think. And I get let's see, this is actually 25, and I get $20 every time somebody purchased that. This I get $44 per month. So this is monthly right here. Well, actually, this is monthly as well. Every single month somebody renews, that's $20. This is a one-time fee right here, but I get 50% of that. And that's like $700 and some odd dollars, one-time fee. Now, just this right here is $1,000 almost. We're very close. That's what, close to $800 from just this setup if somebody renewed and purchased our high-ticket product. And this is what I'm showing you because your high ticket product could be anything you want it to be. I recommend that you have all of these monthly recurring commissions within your all-in-one crate commissions. And you know, you can make this whatever you want to. All right. I spoke with somebody, she's an insurance agent, or she used to, or she worked with them. It's one of that. But she does some pretty cool AI stuff. And I hope what she does is that she takes a whole bunch of AI things, things with automation, things that work together, that complement each other, and uses her affiliate links and puts them all on the buttons on the Crate Commissions, rebrands Crate Commissions and put her videos on it. And then put that out and say, hey, this is how you grow your social media business. Right? And she can give that to people and they will use her affiliate links and she will create custom or monthly recurring commissions. So this is the goal, 0 to 10K. See what I will do in 30 days. I have a special bonus for you guys in the upcoming videos. You will see that. And I really hope that you come along with the journey. This is going to be interesting. This is going to be a test for me as well. The results are going to be live. I don't know how often I'm going to show my results, but I can tell you right now, I have 0 commissions in all of the platforms that I will be pitching. But you'll just have to download it in order to find out what's going on. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.